We're starting more at home in the apartment.
Our budget is quite firm, and so that was a big for us to see.
Oh, that's nice. Our Maureen has done really well adjusting. She seems to like it here. She likes her room. Is that your bed?
We're quite happy with the place. There's plenty of space.
This apartment will work out for a family of 4. We found a doctor and a hospital and a baby. We're excited to bring him home here and happy that we chose this place.
Outside, and we're close enough to the edge of the country where we can walk. We enjoy most about this.
We don't come to Paris too often because of our work being in another suburb. Kind of stay more in the suburbs. But it's a nice place to live. Cities in the world.
5 months of rent up front. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Won't be easy.
And we have 2 buyers.
She always looks at the downside, and I always look at the upside.
I look at the real side. There's a hole in the bathroom door.
Watch as House Hunters International says konnichiwa to Tokyo, Japan.